This part of the training is very interesting. We are going now to move to inside our racing car. In this section, we will see how important is using correctly the racing car pedals on different track and different occasions. Different style with different drivers in different track locations. Of course, each driver has his own driving style, but by the way, there are some techniques that are used for a long time by experienced drivers and get good results until nowadays. Some drivers develop some techniques and experience in practice. When the experience and change get good result, the drivers must keep the modification. On the other hand, who do not know the techniques of how to use the pedals properly make many mistakes and some big crash too. In some cases, the mechanics disassemble the entire car trying to find out what is wrong with the car. Drivers should be able to make the most of the car engine power, brakes, and help the car suspension work good with the correct use of the pedals. The best way to develop a good skill using the car pedals is in the simulator to avoid crash. This is a kind I practice when doing simulator. Always get me and my drivers good results. The pedals are the interface between the driver and the car. If the driver is really good, he has to demonstrate using the pedals correctly. As I usually say, brakes, right press, right time. Gas pedal, right press, right time.
NASCAR driver Ryan Newman was in a horrific crash on the last lap of the Monday's rain-delayed Daytona 500. He was hit by the car behind him, driven by Ryan Blaney. His car turned, he spun, and went airborne, eventually landing on his hood, sliding from the track onto pit road.